Welcome to EC Electronics. We are going to see a recruitment news from Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited in this video. So there's a recruitment of apprentice again happening from GACL, and people from Gujarat and other locations can also apply for this post. Okay, so this is an apprenticeship post or apprentice recruitment. If you are interested in doing this, please do watch this video till the end. And if you have BE qualification or diploma or BCom or 12th pass, you are having openings. Okay, so let us see the details. Before going to the details, if you are seeing EC Electronics channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page and please subscribe to the Telegram channel. Okay. So let us see the qualification details and all first. First one is for BE candidates. Actually, 6 opening is there for BE candidates, and the branches they are recruiting are chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil and instrumentation. Okay. ECE they are not calling, but electrical and instrumentation they are calling. Okay. The qualification for this respective branches is the details. If you click on this icon called detail, you will get. So the qualification is here. The candidates must be obtained minimum 60% of mark in the final 2 years. Okay. In the final 2 years, if you have 60% of mark, then you can apply. And the qualification is BE Chemical from a recognized university, that too full time. Okay. And the age should be below 25 years. That is, shouldn't be above 25 years as on this date. Okay. So first candidates has to convert the CGPA to the percentage and then see whether you are getting 60% or not. If you're having 60% and above, you can definitely apply. Okay. And the branches they are calling are chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil and instrumentation. Okay. The starting date of this application is from 16th March. So it has already started. And the closing date is 28th March is the closing date. Now, for applying for this, just click on this icon. It will be getting redirected. First, you have to register yourself and fill up your details, your educational qualification details, age details, phone number, mail ID, all those things you have to upload. Okay. Next, let us see the qualification or the branches for diploma candidates. From the serial number 7, they are actually calling for diploma. Branches they are recruiting are chemical, civil and electrical. Okay. Chemical, civil and electrical diploma apprentice they are recruiting. Okay. So you should be having diploma as a qualification, and let us see the qualification in more specific. So you can see that the qualification is diploma in chemical engineering from full time. Okay. So for other branches, you should require diploma in the respective branches. Okay. I'm just opening one thing. Let us see for the electrical. Diploma in electrical engineering full time from a recognized university. Okay. Candidate should be having 60% of mark in the final 2 years, and age is also should not be above 25 years. Okay. So here, if you have a BE in chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil and instrumentation, or if you have diploma in chemical, civil and electrical, you are having openings. And also if you have a BCom, see here the 10th category or the 10th post is for BCom candidates. BCom candidates are also getting recruited, and also 12th pass is getting recruited for the post of office assistant. Okay. So these are the 11 category of recruitments happening from GACL. If you are interested, please to apply for it before 28th of March. Okay. Now let us discuss about the selection process. This is an apprentice recruitment. So the selection will be happening based on your merit only. There won't be any written examination or interview mostly. There will be only document verification or a just person-to-person interview regarding your personal details. Okay, personal interview will be only there. There won't be any big selection process. This is a recruitment for apprentice. Okay, and again the location. Now talking about the fees for applying, there is no fees for applying, and you can directly click on this icon to apply for this post. Okay, so people from Gujarat location and outside the Gujarat location can also apply. Now the place of posting here they have given is Baroda. See, all apprentice they are calling for Baroda location. Okay, so you'll be getting posted in the Baroda location of JCL if you're getting selected. Now talking about the duration of this job, it is apprenticeship. Mostly it will be for 1 year only, but again it depends on the organization. Here they have not. So we have seen the qualification details, application procedure and selection process. Now there is no fees for applying. This is an apprentice recruitment. There won't be any fees for applying. You just have to apply through this icon called apply. Okay, so there is no fees for applying. So if you have these qualifications like BTech diploma in this respective branch and also BCom and 12th pass, I would definitely suggest you this job if you are a fresher. They are not asking any other qualifications or any experience. This is again as apprentice recruitment. So you can start your career with. Okay. So the duration they have not mentioned. They have mentioned here is as per the location, the duration will vary. But again, you can definitely get a 1 year experience from GACL. Okay, maybe it will extend further, but for 1 year you can get a apprentice experience. Okay, and the location we have already seen. The location is Baroda is the location. Okay, so so for people from Gujarat location, it will be actually a very good job opening. But for other people also, you can apply because they have not mentioned that only Gujarat people can apply. Okay, so this is actually a very good opening for a lot of people out there. So the last date is 28th March. Age limit also we have seen, qualification also we have seen. So if you have this qualification and if you are within this age limit, please to apply for it on or before 28th of March. Okay. So there is no fees for applying. So anybody can try for this if you have this qualification. So that's all about the job update from GACL. If you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Please to support the channel by subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.